Hello investors! Welcome sa Vinwest showroom namin. Tara, samahan niyo akong explore ang 60 square meters 2-bedroom unit with balcony. Tara, punta tayo sa vicinity map ng ating project. Location ang main advantage ng ating project. Ang Vion ay strategically located along EDSA, corner Chino Roces Avenue, Magallanes Village, Makati City. Napaka-ideal ng location ng ating project dahil nasa gitna tayo ng tatlong prime city, Pasay, Makati at BGC. Transport-friendly ang location ng ating project dahil malapit tayo sa mga main transit system tulad ng MRT, LRT at PNR. Bukod pa rito, mayroong ongoing developments tulad ng Makati Subway, New Senate Building, at ang Metro Manila Subway na magpapataas pa lalo ng value ng property natin. Tara, simulan na natin ang tour sa ating 2-bedroom unit with balcony. Upon entry, makikita ninyo ang kitchen sa kanan. Ang deliverables dito ay granite countertop, faucet at sink, backsplash tiles, at merong provisions para sa cooktop, range hood, washer and dryer, at fridge. Talaga namang perfect para sa inyong culinary adventures. Proceed naman tayo sa living and dining area. As you can see, diba? Very spacious. Perfect na perfect para sa pag-entertain ng guest nyo. Pwede rin kayo mag-enjoy kasama ng guest nyo sa amenities natin tulad ng game room, dance studio, swimming pool at roof deck garden. Next, punta naman tayo sa toilet and bath. Dito, lahat ng nakikita ninyo ay kasama na upon turnover. From shower head, soap holder, glass partition, itong walls at floors natin na homogeneous tiles na, faucet, sink, at mirror. Meron din tayong provision para sa water heater. Talaga namang very hotel-like finish ang ating toilet and bath. Sunod naman natin ang master's bedroom. May balcony ito na may breathtaking view ng Makati skyline at city lights naman sa gabi. Ang Vion ay may views ranging from Makati skyline, Pasay at Manila Bay Area, BGC, Laguna de Bay at Dasmariñas Village. Imagine waking up to that view every single day. By the way, lahat ng units dito sa Vion West smart home equipped na. Soft touch ng switch natin, and all units is equipped with digital lock set at video and audio intercom. We can also control our lights gamit lang ang ating smartphones. Perfect na perfect talaga if you are planning for rental business or even personal use. At ito naman ang another bedroom na perfect para sa mga guest, kids, or pwede rin gawing home office. For more details, you can contact me on my number. This is Alfo Nadorio, your Mega World Property Specialist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.